What? Wait, hang on. Are we doing this right? I don't understand. Oh no, it's burning. Wait, is this meant to happen? Wait, what? What's happening? I don't understand what's happening. Hi guys, so I'm back with a new YouTube video. Basically, before my previous YouTube video, I did a cooking video of my Spanish omelette, and today I decided that I wanted to do another cooking video to sort of prove to you guys that maybe I have improved in my cooking. I chose a meal which wasn't too hard to do because last time a Spanish omelette was just too hard to do. There was too many things, so I chose a thing that only needed like 3 ingredients, so I surely can't get it wrong. So I chose to do a chocolate mousse. I was going to do a starter as well, but as soon as I got back to my flat I realised I don't have flour and herbs and half the ingredients that I needed for the starter. So I'm just doing the dessert. Hopefully it shouldn't go too badly because surely I have improved since last time. Sorry for the lighting in this video because it's going to be filmed in my kitchen and the lighting is like awful. So just to throw it out there, sorry about that. But yeah, I can't believe I'm doing another cooking video. Okay, I swear to God, I'm better this time. Chef Sasha, at it again. I think I'm going to be doing like a video every month of me cooking. You guys can see how I've improved, you know, during the course of my uni life. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so we were going to make these cheese and herb scones, but unfortunately I don't have half these ingredients on the list, including flour. I don't know what you shouldn't have flour, but I don't have it. So the second thing we're going to make is this rich chocolate mousse. Okay, so first of all, I don't have dark chocolate because who likes dark chocolate? And second of all, I don't have cocoa powder, so this is going great first of all. So I don't actually know how to cook this, but we will try. First instruction says, melt the chocolate with the cream in a heat-proof bowl. Do not let the bowl touch the water. What? I don't know if it's a heat-proof bowl or not. How much water do we need? Is that enough? Do not let the bowl touch the water. Ah! It doesn't touch! It says 175 grams of chocolate, but I've got 200 here and I don't know how to measure. We're just going to put every bit of chocolate in. How do you open this? So it says break it up into little pieces. Wait, hang on, are we doing this right? Oh wait, it says with the cream as well. We didn't do that. I don't understand. Okay, I can't open this. Why do they make packaging so hard? Wait, and 100 milliliters of jar. I've got 150. How do I measure this? I don't understand. So it says stir. This doesn't look right. I don't think I've done this right. Does this look right? I don't understand what's happening. Is this meant to happen? Oh, maybe I should have broken it up into smaller pieces. I don't know what's happening. It's actually steaming up really badly. Wait, is this meant to happen? I mean, it's not even melting. Oh no, it's burning! What's happening? Oh god, ow! Okay, this isn't working. Oh my god, what do I do? Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. Oh god, ouch! I mean, does it look yummy? Guys, tell me if this looks yummy. I mean, core. I don't actually know what's happening. Is it meant to be steaming up that much? Do I put some more hot water in? It's going lumpy. Ah! No hot water! Ow! Okay, no, no. Oh god, I can't get. I don't know what's happening. This is why you shouldn't cook on your own, guys. Leave to cool for 5 minutes, then beat the egg yolks one at a time. Wait, what? I don't understand. Beat the egg yolks one at a time. So are we meant to take the egg yolks out? How do we do that? How do we take the egg yolks out? I guess this is smooth. We can probably leave you down for a second. Oh god. How are we doing this? How are we getting the egg whites out? Oh wait, I don't understand what's happening. I don't understand. How are egg whites out. Chef Sasha! Oi! So one egg didn't make it and it's now on the floor. These are my eggs. They're cute. I actually hate my life. Why can't I cook simple things? There's also egg everywhere because I can't clean up. This is a recipe for disaster. I don't know how to clean up eggs, so we're gonna put loads of kitchen roll on the floor. And we'll just hope that my flatmates don't see the egg on the floor. How do we take egg whites out? I'm guessing we need another bowl. Do we just like scoop it out? Ah, no, it's broken! The egg yolk's broken! There's that bottle trick, isn't there? 100% there's a bottle trick. Where you like just zoom the eggs out. How do we... Oh wait! Ah! Oh my god, look at that! Wow! Science. How do we get it out? Oh my god. Whoever thought of this is a bloody genius. Ah! Okay. This is such... Look at my egg! Right, we're gonna demonstrate how you get this out. Okay, so... Oh my god, how do I do this? I've messed up! How do I mess up on egg? We're gonna try with 2 other eggs. This time, we're gonna be smooth with opening the eggs. So we've got 2 eggs here. Okay, be nice. I'm becoming so good at this. Wow! Sick. We've got this. Oh, who's a genius? I think that would be Sasha Marie Wallis. Okay, now what? Do not let the bowl stir infrequently until smooth, but then beat the egg yolks in one at a time. I've put them all 3 in a thing though, so how am I meant to... I'm so done with cooking. Whisk the egg whites in a separate bowl, clean bowl until stiff. Interesting. Okay, so 2 things. 1, I haven't got a whisk. Wait, hang on. This has gone hard again. It doesn't actually taste too bad, to be fair. Oh wait, I didn't leave it on cool because the hob's still on. So this is still hot. I actually hate cooking. I'm not doing this again. Okay. So what do we do now? So this is still hot. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so beat the eggs in. Stay in. Flip it. You're going in all at once. We're just going to put these in all at once because the egg yolks are broken again. Flip it. We're just going to put them all in at once. And then we beat them. But because I haven't got a whisk, we're just going to have to beat them free-handed. I don't think this looks right. How long do we beat them for? Ah! I don't understand how long we beat them for. I don't understand what's happening. I think that's enough beating. It doesn't taste very good. Beat the eggs in a separate bowl until stiff, then lightly fold into the chocolate mixture until combined. I don't know what's happening. Do you know what? Give or take, I am basically a chef. Because although I might not be the best chef, I still give it a go. So technically, Gordon Ramsay should be proud of me. Why isn't it getting stiff? This is really boring. How do people do this on a daily? Okay. This is a whisk. It's not my whisk, but we're just going to use it. How do you know? It then says...
What have you done here?
Don't show them!
What's this? What's this, Sasha?
I accidentally spilled the egg on the floor because I didn't know how to crack the egg.
Chef Ramsay.
Wait, no, to be fair, how good are my cooking skills at the moment? They actually are pretty sick.
You came here a 0, now you're about a 2.
Just lightly fold into the mixture.
Nicely done. Give me that.
I can't do it. I can't do it. It's going crap. So Becca has just found the egg yolk on the floor as well. We don't need to talk about the egg yolk, that's a mistake. Yeah.
You've done things in the wrong order.
What do you mean? You know what?
It's just like, you know what, just melt some chocolate and you'll be alright. That's literally what it says.
To be fair, right, give or take, this does look like a chocolate mousse. To be fair, I didn't even...
Or again.
Are you meant to cook the egg?
Well, for one, you were meant to let that cool.
It is cool. To be fair, right, if we get food poisoning, we're all uni students, we don't really care anymore. Look how amazing this is. It is so good. Wait, I haven't got a glass to put this in.
It's actually gone lumpy. It's literally lumpy. You didn't manage to melt the chocolate right. You didn't manage to melt chocolate. It's lumpy.
How can I not even manage to melt chocolate? That was step 1. Hang on, this is a cup, isn't it?
Yes, that's technically a cup.
Shall I just pour it into here?
Oh my god, Sasha.
Guys, we made our first chocolate mousse.
Let's just...
This is our first chocolate. It's such a recipe for disaster. It says chill for 2 hours. There's one.
Yeah, no, Sasha, that is like still warm. You did not let that.
We don't care if it's still warm. Okay.
How is it still warm yet still not melted?
That's the many things of Chef Sasha. Guys, this basically was my yolk that I couldn't get out. So you know when you're meant to do that thing with the water bottle where you try and get the yolks out? Yeah, this is my thing. Yum. Oh, look how cute this is.
Oh, look how lumpy that is.
What did I do wrong, Adam?
So first of all, you melted the chocolate correct, but then when you put it on the side to cool, you didn't put it in the fridge, you just left it on the side, which meant it didn't...
I left it on the hob when the hob was on.
It's not going to cool then, is it?
Yeah, but I turned the hob off.
You didn't let it cool properly, so it's not set, which is probably the reason the egg hasn't infused with the chocolate as well, and the reason it kind of looks like watery poo. You were meant to spoon the mousse into the glass though, but you didn't do that, you poured it in. Did you dust with cocoa powder?
No, but I bought flakes because I don't have cocoa powder. So we've got like an hour left, and these are my chocolate mousses. Okay, that doesn't look very nice. Let me see this one. Okay, we're just gonna leave them in for like another 2 hours so they can settle. Okay guys, so our 2-hour timer is up. So we're just gonna, let's see how this one's done. Oh god, that one's very, very sloppy. Okay, we're gonna leave it in there for a couple of hours, I think. I had to leave my mousse in for more than 2 hours because there was so much of the mousse, it just wouldn't settle. So I've checked on it now, it should be okay. So we're gonna go see my mousses and see if they're okay. So these are my mousses. They look okay. Oh yay, we got some raspberries to put on my mousses. They're frozen. Great. We're putting raspberries on my mousses because to make them more attractive and more appealing. This is the end result of the mousses. They're okay. I'm not gonna say they're amazing. Okay, I've got to do a taste test though. I'm gonna do a taste test of the mousses. It's disgusting. It's actually not that bad. It just tastes like melted chocolate. Okay, that actually isn't bad. That actually is quite nice. Boy, I am a chef. This is so awkward eating on camera. It's actually quite nice. Oh my god, I'm such a chef. Now for the last one. I'm a chef. I am a chef. Okay, so we found out our last video, I can't cook with Spanish omelette, but I can make mousse. I'm actually a chef. Call me Chef Sasha from now on. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish up eating these. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm in a different location. That's because I am now home, but I didn't get to finish my YouTube video that I did when I was at uni, so now I have to record back here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and I know I can't cook, so I mean, it turned out okay. The chocolate mousses did actually turn out okay, and they did actually taste quite nice. They were better than my Spanish omelette, so I guess I am improved. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, hope to see you guys again soon. So yeah.